Spam is a food product that has become a household name around the world, known for its versatility and long shelf life. Introduced in the late 1930s, it quickly gained popularity due to its convenience and affordability, especially during wartime. Today, it is a staple in many kitchens, especially in places like Hawaii, where it is used in a variety of local dishes. But how exactly is it made? In this video, we'll walk you through every step of the process, from sourcing the raw materials to the final packaging and transportation, providing an in-depth look at how this iconic product comes to life. The first step in making Spam is sourcing the raw materials, with the key ingredient being pork. The pork used in the production of Spam typically comes from the shoulder portion of the pig, known for its tender texture and rich flavor. In addition to pork, ham is also used, which adds a distinct flavor to the final product. These meats are sourced from trusted suppliers who adhere to strict standards of quality. The pigs are raised on farms, often located near the production facilities, ensuring that the supply chain is efficient and the meat is fresh when it arrives for processing. The producers work closely with these suppliers to ensure that the animals are raised humanely, and the meat is free from any growth hormones or unnecessary antibiotics. Once the pork and ham arrive at the production facility, they undergo a thorough inspection to ensure they meet the required standards. The meat is inspected for freshness, texture, and fat content. Any meat that doesn't meet these strict criteria is discarded, ensuring that only the best cuts are used in the production of Spam. After inspection, the meat is transported to the preparation area, where it is cleaned and trimmed. The trimming process involves removing excess fat and any connective tissue that may affect the texture of the final product. This step is done by skilled workers, or with the help of automated machinery, ensuring that the meat is prepared quickly and efficiently. The cleaned and trimmed meat is then ground to the desired consistency. The grinding process is crucial to achieving the smooth, uniform texture that Spam is known for. Large industrial grinders are used to break the meat down into small, fine pieces. These grinders are capable of processing hundreds of kilograms of meat per hour, ensuring that the factory can keep up with the high demand for the product. Once the meat has been ground, it is ready for the next stage of the process, mixing. The ground pork and ham are combined in large mixers, where they are mixed with other key ingredients. These ingredients include salt, sugar, water, and sodium nitrite. The salt is used not only to enhance the flavor of the meat, but also to act as a preservative, helping to extend the shelf life of the product. Sugar adds a slight sweetness to balance out the saltiness, while the sodium nitrite helps to maintain the pink color of the meat and prevents the growth of harmful bacteria. Water is added to create the right consistency, ensuring that the meat mixture is moist and easy to work with. The mixing process is done in large industrial mixers, which ensure that the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the meat. This step is crucial for maintaining consistency in the taste and texture of the product. If you're enjoying this detailed look at the process behind one of the world's most famous food products, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more fascinating videos about food production. Once the meat mixture is thoroughly combined, it is ready to be canned. The canning process begins by portioning the meat mixture into individual cans. This is done using automated filling machines that are capable of filling hundreds of cans per minute. The machines ensure that each can is filled with the exact same amount of meat mixture, ensuring consistency in both portion size and weight. The cans are then sealed with airtight lids, using a special can sealing machine. This step is vital to preserving the freshness of the product and preventing any contamination. After the cans are sealed, they are cooked to ensure that the product is fully safe for consumption and has a long shelf life. The cans are placed in large pressure cookers, where they are heated to a specific temperature for a set amount of time. This cooking process, also known as retort cooking, not only ensures that the meat is fully cooked but also sterilizes the product, killing any bacteria that might be present. The cooking process also helps to lock in the flavors, giving Spam its distinct taste and texture. The exact cooking time and temperature are carefully controlled to ensure that each batch is cooked to perfection. Once the cans are cooked and cooled, they undergo further inspection to ensure that they are sealed properly and that the product inside meets the company's quality standards. The cans are checked for any signs of damage, such as dents or leaks, which could compromise the quality of the product. The contents of random cans from each batch are also tested to ensure that the flavor, texture, and appearance are consistent with the brand's standards. Only after passing these rigorous quality control checks are the cans ready for packaging and distribution. The next step in the process is packaging. The individual cans of Spam are placed into cardboard boxes or plastic-wrapped trays, depending on the type of packaging required for different markets. Packaging machines handle this step, ensuring that the cans are packed quickly and efficiently. These machines can pack thousands of cans per hour, making the packaging process one of the fastest stages in the production line. The packaging ensures that the cans are protected during transportation and handling, reducing the risk of damage before they reach the consumer. Each package is labeled with important information such as the product name, ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration date, ensuring that consumers have all the information they need when purchasing the product. Hygiene is of the utmost importance throughout the entire production process. The factory follows strict cleanliness protocols to ensure that the product is safe for consumption. Workers wear protective clothing, including gloves and hairnets, and the machinery is regularly cleaned and sanitized to prevent contamination. Every stage of the process is carefully monitored to ensure that the product meets all food safety standards. This commitment to hygiene ensures that every can of Spam that leaves the factory is of the highest quality. Once the product is packaged, it is stored in temperature-controlled warehouses until it is ready for distribution. Because Spam is shelf-stable, it does not need to be refrigerated, which makes storage and transportation much easier. The product is kept at a consistent temperature to ensure that it maintains its quality while waiting to be shipped. From the warehouse, the product is loaded onto trucks for distribution to retailers and distributors around the world. Spam has a global presence, with the product being sold in supermarkets and convenience stores in many countries. Its long shelf life and versatility make it a popular choice for both consumers and retailers, and the brand continues to produce millions of cans each year to meet demand. If you enjoyed learning about how this iconic product is made, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks at the world of food production. We've got plenty more fascinating videos coming your way. The process of making Spam is a combination of traditional methods and modern technology, ensuring that the product maintains its signature taste and quality while meeting the demands of today's fast-paced production environments. From the careful selection of high-quality pork and ham to the precision mixing, canning, and cooking processes, each step is designed to create a product that has stood the test of time. Whether it's served fried with eggs, mixed into casseroles, or eaten straight from the can, Spam continues to be a beloved food item around the world, offering convenience, flavor, and a touch of nostalgia with every bite.